how to blur the area in Capcut on the Mac. So I got here this image. I want to blur, for example, his eyes. So simply place your image to your timeline, and all you have to do is to copy and paste this image. So do it so. Once it's done, simply select this top image, and at the top menu bar click Effects, and we want to find something about blur. I got it in favorites, so find blur and grab it and move it to the top image. So as you can see, it's blurred. You can adjust the blur, and now on the right side click on mask, and here we want to add mask. Next step is to select the shape of your blur. You can select the rectangle and adjust the actual blur and blur the area which you want, and it's that easy. You can also select, for example, the cycle and place your cycle to the place where you want. So it's that simple, and if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.